Hi-do-ho, everyone. Mr. Kaczynski with you. Section O of IXL's 8th grade math, we're going to classify triangles today. We're going to do that by their side lengths and by their angle measures. So here's one. This has three different side lengths. So we call triangles like that scalene. So when they have three different side lengths, they're scalene. As opposed to equilateral, where all three sides are equal to each other, and isosceles, where exactly two are equal to each other. Well, then what about this, where we don't even have any side lengths, but we do have angle measures, and we can still talk about the side lengths. The fact, this is true with really only triangles, all three of these angle measures are different. That means all three of the side lengths will be different as well. So this is a scalene, just like the last one was a scalene triangle. All right, well, what about when all three angles are the same? What can we say about the side lengths? Well, the side lengths will all be the same, and that's an equilateral triangle. And on this one, we've got exactly two of the side lengths that are equal to each other. The third is not equal to the other two. We call that isosceles. Okay, a triangle has one 92-degree angle and two 44-degree angles. That would also be isosceles. We call those the base angles. If two angles are equal, that means two side lengths will be equal. And if two side lengths are equal, we call that an isosceles triangle. So again, equilateral, three equal sides, isosceles, two equal sides, scalene, no equal sides. All right, now let's start classifying by angle measures. All right, all three of these are less than 90 degrees, so we would call this an acute triangle. So an acute triangle has three angle measures, or all the angle measures in the triangle are less than 90. Whereas this one, which has a 90-degree angle, we call that a right triangle because it contains a right angle. Right angles equal 90 degrees. This one, what's key here is the 153-degree angle, and since that's greater than 90 degrees, it can't be an acute triangle. We call it an obtuse triangle. Now on this, we don't have any angle measures or side lengths, okay? But we can still take a shot at classifying it. These marks here mean that all three of the angles are different measures. That makes it scalene. So it's either obtuse and scalene or acute and scalene. This angle looks like it's more than 90 degrees, doesn't it? So IXL kind of leaves us to make an educated guess, even though it may or may not be drawn to scale. So I'm going to call this obtuse because it has an angle greater than 90 degrees, and scalene because it has three sides that are all different in length. One more. You see the right angle. That's the first thing I'm drawn to. So I know it's either right in isosceles or right in scalene. But the fact that these two base angles are equal to each other means that these two sides will be equal to each other, which means it's isosceles. So right because it's got a 90-degree angle, isosceles because it has two sides that are equal to each other. So that's how you classify triangles, by side length and by angle measure. Good luck, and let me know how it goes.